DUI in Lawrenceville, Georgia is where the government has accused you of driving under the influence. Either they're saying that you're a less safe driver, or they're saying that you're a per se DUI. A lot of people get a ticket and it says less safe in parentheses, and they don't know what that means. What that means is that the government likely doesn't have a test result that they can use against you in court. They don't have a breath test, they don't have a urine test, they don't have a blood test because you either refused that test or there was some issue with the testing. So they charge you with DUI less safe. Or there's DUI per se. That's where they do have a test result. They do have a breath, a blood, or a urine test. So that's what a DUI is. What you should do if you're charged with a DUI in Lawrenceville is first figure out where you're going to be going first. Okay, your citation, you got a citation from the officer. About halfway down the citation, you'll see a court notice, and it'll tell you what court you're going to first. Okay, and I say first because likely the court you're going to be going to is a court that cannot do jury trials. Okay, this will be a court like the Recorder's Court. That's the big one in Lawrenceville. Or you could be in one of the 8 other municipal or city courts that are in Gwinnett County. Okay, they don't have the ability to try your case to a jury, but you have a right to have a jury trial when you're charged with a DUI. So they send your case to these smaller courts first, and then if you decide you want to have a jury trial, you can choose to have your case sent to the Gwinnett State Court after that. A DUI attorney, how much does a DUI attorney cost in Lawrenceville? This is the most common question that we get is how much is it? How much is it going to cost? And I always tell people that's really the wrong question to be asking. It makes sense to ask it, but it's the wrong question. The right question is, what's it going to cost me if I get a DUI conviction? What would that cost me if I lose this case and I end up getting a DUI? Most people don't know this, but DUI convictions never come off of your record. They will literally follow you for life. It doesn't matter. You can't get them expunged. You can't have your record restricted if you get convicted of a DUI. Obviously, there's massive insurance ramifications for a DUI conviction that will follow you for many, many, many years with increased premiums, etc. It will exclude you for a lot of positions, especially positions where you have to drive for a company. And you will also lose a CDL. If you have a CDL license, you'll lose it for at least a year. And there's no way around that. So that's the cost of a DUI. And that's really the most important question is what would it cost me if I lose?